As Dex, what's it like to come back, and give back to the kids out here? You're not from this part of Virginia, from this part of DMV, but you're still from Virginia.
Right. I mean, this is always one of my favorite parts about it because, it just reminds me of my childhood. It brings back memories, but at the same time, it gives these kids, something that they can see, something that they can touch. They walk up to you, they ask you, are you who you are? It's like, you're not Taj Wood, are you? And you're talking to them, and you can see the joy on their face. You can see, the smiles because, for them, it's still a dream. For me right now, this is the reality of what I'm living in, but, they need to be able to see it so that they can reach that point if they want to, and, that's always one of the fun parts about coming out here.
All right, so I saw you out there messing around in the quarterbacks group, throwing to some of the kids. How was that?
It's great, man. It's great. They ask questions, very, intuitive. They just want to know. They're going to ask you everything from what happened to that loss on this game, how did you throw a pick here, what does it take to get to the point that you're at. So, anytime you can, answer those questions and provide some feedback for them, I think it's great for them and it's great for me that I'm able to communicate it with them.
All right, anybody you see over there with some great feet?
It's one, as a matter of fact, it's two brothers, I don't know their names right now, but I asked them what grade they're in. They're in the 4th and 5th grade. And they just got some unbelievable feet, man. They look like they got a Troy Polamalu hair going, but, they can really play. So it's, I'm looking at those guys for the future, man.
We see them. I keep that in mind.
Of course.
All right, so now, like you're talking about, you are living your dream now. It is reality. With a member of the New York Jets, as Dex, what's it like? Has it finally hit you or not yet?
Yeah, sometimes, you feel like you belong there ultimately because you put the work in to be there. But at the same time, when you sit back there and you reflect, you realize how blessed you are to be in that position. It's not something that's very common. It's not something that happens every day. So for me to be in that predicament, in that situation, it just lets me know that I have to make the most of my opportunity. So, I'm sitting there in the locker room with, this guy or that guy. He's been in the league for 12 years. I got Mike Vick has been working with me every day. So all of these guys that I looked up to growing up, and now I'm on the same playing field with them. It's pretty awesome.
All right, you mentioned the Mike Vick thing. That's huge from the area that you're from. And now you guys are in the same locker room. You get a chance to compete for that quarterback position, man. How's that feel?
It's cool. It's cool because, again, me and Dex talk about it all the time. We're talking about the guy who was on the Madden cover a few years ago.
Maybe the best Madden.
Exactly. So, just from I just learned a lot from him, on the field and off the field as well. He told me about some of the things that happen off the field, ways that I can avoid it, and just how to carry yourself now that you're a professional quarterback. So, it's great talking to him because he has a lot of insight to it. And I feel like I couldn't be in a better situation right now.
All right, I asked Dex, he gets a chance. You guys went at it in college, obviously.
Exactly.
So you're on the same team. Yeah. Training camp's coming. We know what's going to happen.
Right.
He said he's looking forward to getting a couple picks off you.
Man,
I'm looking forward to
I'm going to go out there, and I'm going to go out there and try to throw the ball at him every time, Mike threw him a couple of freebies the other day, he picked them off or whatever. But Dex is a baller, man. It's great to be on the same squad with him. But I'm definitely not going to take it too easy on him.
All right, I appreciate it, Ty. Thank you, man.
All right, dog.
You take